In this quick video guide, we're going to talk about how to save or also restore or reset some operators parameters, which means how to create your objects in Blender and changing them with the parameters. So let's see, this was a question that from a user. So we're going to answer that to help him to understand better. So I'm going to delete everything here, or I can just do file, new, general. So I want to use something a little bit more complex than the cube, but you can see the cube is the first 3D object, cannot be modified at the moment. You can edit the box, or you can go here and edit also from the transform and the dimensions and so on. So let me delete this with the X key, and then I'm gonna go to add. In object mode, I'm gonna add mesh, and I'm gonna add a torus because it's just a little bit more interesting. Now remember, you can do this with also with other objects. I'm gonna use 3D objects because it's better. It's better to understand. So I'm gonna use torus, and as soon as I create something in Blender the first time, well, not with the standard box that you find at the beginning, but with all the other objects that I create, a little mirror, a little panel, a little dialogue is going to appear down here. You need to expand it. Now, many people don't even notice that. So it's really small, but I think it's really important. So if I open up this, you can see it's going to help me to define the parameters of the torus. So I can increase the segments, and I can do other stuff. Again, I can find also other settings from here, but you won't find the same that you find down here. So down here you have like more control. You can manage the parameters a little bit more. So we can make like a really tiny ring here, or I can decrease and make a triangle. So let's say that I like this shape right here. I want to keep it. So what if I go out now and then go back? Let me just move this with the move tool right here. And if you find yourself uncomfortable with this really basic operation, you probably want to check the first videos of the Blender video course in the channel. So I'm gonna add again, let's add a cube now. And you can see we have the parameters, which we didn't have with the first box, the first cube. But we don't have so many parameters in here anyway. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way. Let's go back to add, mesh, and again, torus. And you can see it's not a donut, it's a triangle again. Why? Because every time you set up something in here, the next time you're gonna find the same exact parameters. So until you don't change those, you are gonna keep creating triangles instead of rings, or instead of torus, or instead of donuts. So you just need to go here and fix that. But do you remember which were the initial settings here? Well, there is a quicker way to fix that. So let's create like a donut. Okay, I'm gonna push it on the other side. So if I go again to add, mesh, and torus, that's gonna be a donut. It's not gonna be a triangle anymore. So, well, this is not yet the original object. How to get to the original object? You go here to operator presets, and you do restore operator defaults. This is how you can get back to that original 3D shape, 3D object. And also, again, it works with others operator, not only with 3D objects. So again, I'm gonna move this out of the way, and let's do one final example. So I'm gonna go to add mesh, torus. I'm gonna create another shape here. So let's say I only wanna have like 5 sides, like a pentagon, and then I wanna decrease this to have a really low poly shape like this. And this is going to be like my new preset, and I want to use every time, or not so all the time, but many times. So in that case, I can create my own preset or operator preset. So if I click on plus, I just need to give this a name. So I'm going to call this pentagon shape, and say okay. So every time I want that, I can get it now from the list here. So let me just push this again a little bit. aside, and let's start again. Let's do add mesh tourists. And again, I have the last one that I created, but now I can change it from here. I can restore the operator default, or I can select the pentagon shape. And then I create also another one for the triangle right here. So you can create like as many as you want. And every time when you want to be quicker, you can just create a new one and then get the operator preset that you saved. Or again, you can restore anytime. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And if you want to thank us, if you want to support us, you can do it by joining the channel as a supporter and check our other video courses and video guides in Blender and also other 3D software. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.